In this video, you'll see how to choose and install lightning conductor fasteners on sloped concrete or clay roofs. The first step is choosing the right fastener for your roofing type. We offer several options designed to fit most standard roofing styles. Depending on the tile grooves, use a fastener that fits tightly in the groove to ensure the roof remains watertight even after the lightning system is installed. For non-standard tiles, a universal fastener is best. It can be bent to match your roof type. Simply bend the base plate so the fastener aligns perfectly with the tile grooves. Let's look at the different types of conductor holders. The click holder allows quick installation. Just press the conductor into place until you hear a click. The double-click version provides extra holding strength, ideal for windy or exposed areas. The nylon holder is a good non-metal option, highly resistant to chemicals and corrosion. The nylon holder with a cover cap offers extra protection and a neat, finished look. For a robust, long-lasting connection, the screw version provides the most secure hold. The integrated notch on the top plate allows quick maintenance or repositioning without completely removing the bolt.